Hello everyone! Have you ever faced the frustrating invalid image data error in your Flutter app? It can be a real roadblock when you're trying to display images. This video is all about troubleshooting and fixing this common issue. We'll cover the main causes and provide practical solutions so you can get your images loading smoothly. Let's get started. This error usually means Flutter can't decode the image data. The data might be corrupted, incomplete, or in an unsupported format. First, let's examine the image source. Is it a local asset, a network URL, or an image from the device's storage? For network images, double-check the URL. Make sure it's correct and the image is accessible. A simple typo can cause the error. Use a tool like Postman or a browser to verify the URL returns a valid image. Next, consider image formats. Flutter supports common formats like JPEG, PNG, and GIF. If you're using a less common format, you might need a specific package for decoding. Check the file extension of your image and ensure it matches the actual image data. Sometimes, the file extension is incorrect, leading to decoding problems. Now, let's talk about corrupted image files. If the image file is damaged or incomplete, Flutter won't be able to decode it. Try downloading the image again or using a different source for the image. If it's a local asset, make sure the image file hasn't been accidentally modified or corrupted during development. Resaving the image with an image editor might help. Image caching can also be a culprit. Flutter aggressively caches images to improve performance. Sometimes, the cached image data becomes corrupted. Try clearing the image cache. You can achieve this by using a temporary cache busting technique, adding a random query parameter to the image URL. This forces Flutter to reload the image. Let's also consider image size. Very large images can sometimes cause decoding issues, especially on lower-end devices. Try resizing the image to a more reasonable size before displaying it in your app. This will improve performance and reduce the likelihood of encountering the error. If you're loading images from the device's storage, ensure you have the necessary permissions. Android and iOS require specific permissions to access external storage. Make sure your app requests these permissions and that the user has granted them. Finally, check for any related errors in your console. Sometimes, the invalid image data error is a symptom of a more underlying issue. The console might provide additional clues about the root cause of the problem. Carefully examine any error messages or warnings to identify the source of the problem. And one more thing, be careful with asynchronous operations. If you are using asynchronous calls, make sure you handle the image loading correctly and check for errors there. That's it for troubleshooting the invalid image data error in Flutter. I hope this video helped you resolve the issue and get your images loading correctly. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more Flutter tips and tutorials. Consider supporting the channel by leaving a comment or sharing this video with other developers. Your support helps us create more content like this.